Alright, so I'm about to start. What are you doing, sir? You want to help? You want to help me? Oh, thank you for helping me. Let's turn that off real quick. Alright, so I'm about to start opening my boxes. I'm thinking this is the battery, the Braille battery that I ordered. I'm not for sure. Because the shipping stuff's all messed up on it. Let's go see what we got here. It's always nice when you get car parts. And it is the, yes, it is the Braille battery.
What is
Let's see
it?
how it comes. Oh god, that was, stop. And this is supposed to be the, this is the Bmr.
Cameron.
This is the Bmr rear sway bar relocation brackets. Which you just cut it open.
Come here, Cam.
I'm trying to open them all.
Come here, baby.
Maybe I just. Oh, maybe I was supposed to do it this way. I was going ham. So these are the Bmr brackets. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. They're just metal brackets. Nothing fancy to them. Now let's go check out this battery. This house. Oh God, I almost dropped it on his foot. He would have been mad at me for that. Alright, look at this thing. So here's the Braille battery. Supposed to be lightweight, but still pretty heavy. Okay, this is what I was wondering. I was making sure it came with the top post terminals, which it does, thankfully. So that'll make my life easier. Because you don't know, they just literally just screw in from the top to make it a top post terminal battery. Which I'm actually wanting to go weigh this and compare it to the Mustang battery.
Hope you didn't need that box.
What are you doing? Here,
Cam.
come over here, play with this.
Cameron.
Yeah, buddy, play with that. That'll work. There you go. Play with that. That was a good. So this is the battery, which I'm curious to see how that's going to fit in the Mustang. I forgot what this is.
Cam.
I think this is the oil in the rear diff oil. Starting boxing and stuff. You can play with that. That's good shit. Yeah. Should like pre-opened everything. Yes. Okay. So this is the rear diff stuff that I got.
That big box.
So it comes with 2 quarts of oil, the Motorcraft Diff additive, the anti-slip additive, and then I'm curious what this is. I've never used it before. I've always used RTV every time I've done it. But it's supposed to be a rear diff gasket, and it's from Lube Locker. And it's supposed to be a resealable gasket, so curious how that is if I don't have to RTV it every time. And I won't have to wait for the RTV to dry. Just stick the freaking gasket on and go. Be done. So, other than that, last but not least, this should be the Bmr Radiator Support, which I might actually go do that stuff now. I haven't decided yet. You having the time of your life, Amanda? No. Cameron is. He loves the boxes. What is that?
He's like, can I have it back?
Come here, sir.
Denied.
Okay, and here's my black hammer tone radiator support. Yay! That looks cool. Yeah, it looks nice. So they had a red option or the hammer tone, and I don't know. None of the rest of the suspension stuff in my car is already like made the hammer tone. So I didn't get red, or else I would have because red looks cool. But yeah, I think that's everything. So now I have to put everything on the car when I'm not being lazy. So that'll be fun. Alright. Okay guys, I'm about to remove the old battery to get an idea of how much it weighs. No, if you guys don't have one of these electric ratchets, they're so nice and easy to use. I love them. Yeah, these Milwaukee electric ratchets are awesome. So there's the charge indicator, so it's halfway. So this thing's awesome. You just sit there and just let it do its thing. Which it should be off already. Yep, so goes that. There you go, the battery's out. Alright, I'm at the cut so I can lift this battery up now. Alright, we're about to start recording or show you guys the weight of the batteries. First, we're going to have to use my son over here to calibrate the scale.
Cam, see how much you weigh.
Stop. Look what you weigh. So he weighs 26.8 pounds. Give you an idea. Ugh. This is the factory OE battery. You can see it's a Motorcraft one, so it comes in the car factory. It's 29.8 pounds, which is pretty heavy. And then this is the Braille AGM battery. It says it's 21 pounds, so we're gonna see if it holds true. 20.7 pounds. So it is 9 pounds lighter than a factory OE battery. And you can see the size of, oh, we tried to take the phone. Don't do that. Anyways, so you can tell, here's the size difference between them. I mean, it's just a little shorter, the same height. So this one, the terminals stick up while this one's recessed. So that's the only like really height difference between them. And then this is a gel battery, which is absorbent glass mat. Anyways, I'm probably going to show you guys what it's like when I install it. He's obviously having a fun time with them. Hey, Cameron, which battery you like better? Yeah, you like the shiny one, huh? The Braille. Yeah, you already know. Stop, what are you doing? Look at him. Always messing with stuff. Anyways, I'm about to go put this bad boy in. So, as you can see, here's the battery in the stock battery tray. I can see it fits in there pretty good. It moves around a little bit, but I mean, it's pretty well held in there because of the straps and everything. Straps fully adjusted down. Fits good. You can tell it has a lot of room, but yeah, should do good. All the terminals are nice and tight on there, so pretty happy. Should do good. Should do good. Oh, here's the peep at the car in case you guys haven't seen it in a minute.